Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the right tie and gun nose for the bundle. Stainless steel behaves differently, so match size to load. Put on cut-resistant gloves and eye protection and clamp the cable if movement is likely. Insert the tie head into the jaw and feed the tail straight into the gun slot. This prevents cross-threading. Once set, adjust the tension dial to 3 to 5, because that gives initial bite without crushing the cables. Now pull the trigger slowly for the first controlled tension. Continue by keeping a steady hand. Hold the bundle and squeeze the gun in short, deliberate pulls so the tail feeds evenly and the head seats properly. Increase tension in small increments while watching the bundle. You want snug retention without deforming insulation because over-tensioning causes damage. When you reach the target tension, activate the built-in cutter. Position the cutter so about 2 to 3 millimeters of tail remain to avoid sharp edges. Make sure the cutter blade is sharp, since dull blades leave burr. To finish, inspect the tie head and the remaining tail. Rotate any sharp tail away from walkways and trim if needed, because user safety matters. If the gun jams, stop, release tension, back the tail out gently, and clear any debris from the jaw, then relubricate the pivot points and re-index the cutter. Make sure you carry spare cutter blades and replacement jaws, and keep a torque guide to reproduce consistent tension across multiple ties. This prevents repeat failures and ensures professional, durable installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.